Question number 36. Complete the following reaction. So we've been given this reaction, students. So this is allowed to undergo reaction with NaNO2HCl. Okay, so NaNO2HCl is going to cause diazotization in this case. So this will be converted into N2+. Okay, there was a double bond which is present, students. So this is going to get converted into chloride, students. There will be addition of HCl on the double bond. Now, students, what is going to happen is this N2 is going to leave, and then the carbocation which will be formed over here is going to attach to the other benzene ring which is present. Okay, so we're going to have the formation of this compound, students, after the leaving of N2 and the electrophilic substitution on this other present benzene ring. This is the major product P1 which is obtained, students, and now this P1 is allowed to react with alcoholic KOH. So this will lead to dehydrohalogenation over here, and we are going to have the formation of this compound. Okay, so this is the major product P2 which is obtained, students. Okay, so if you look at the options which are given to us, we can clearly see that for question number 36 we have to mark the correct answer as option 3. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 37. Consider the following statements and select the incorrect one. So option 1, it says nitrogen containing carbohydrates are enzymes. This is not correct, students. Enzymes are not carbohydrates, they are proteins. So this has to be the answer. If we talk about statement 2 now, alpha and beta glucose differ in the orientation of OH at C1. So this is the correct statement, students. If we talk about this third statement now, nucleotide of a DNA is having greater molar mass as compared to nucleoside with the same N base. So this is the correct statement, students. The nucleotide is formed from the nucleoside and it contains a phosphodiester linkage, so obviously it is going to have a greater molar mass. If we talk about option 4 now, the helical structure of protein is due to intramolecular H bonding, so this is a correct statement, students. So only the first statement was not correct, and for question number 37 we have to mark the correct answer as option 1. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 38. Some of the drugs have killing effect while others have inhibitory effect on microbes. Which of the following has inhibitory effect on microbes? So if we look at the options which are given to us, students, we know that erythromycin is the one which has an inhibitory effect on the microbes. So for question number 38, we have to mark the correct answer as option 1. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 39. What should be the final product of the following reaction? So we've been given a reaction. So this is a type of pinacol-pinacol rearrangement, students. Okay, so in the first step, we have to form the most stable carbocation. So we know that the most stable carbocation will be formed on the right after the removal of this OH group. Students, we're going to have the formation of this carbocation. And now this carbocation is going to undergo ring expansion, students. Okay, so we're going to have the ring expansion happening. Okay, and this will be the major product which is obtained, students. If you look at the options which are given to us, we can clearly see that for this question we have to mark the correct answer as option 3. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 40. Consider the figure given below. So we've been given a P versus T diagram. Which of the following is correct for the slope of the given curve for 1 mole of the gas? Okay. So if we talk about the slope of this curve, students, it is going to be given by del P by del T. And since it is a straight line, students, we know that the volume must be constant in that case. Okay, so the slope is equal to del P by del T at the constant volume. So for question number 40, students, we have to mark the correct answer as option 4.